So I've just got the chickens out for now because I want to move the compost bins, but I don't know if there's going to be enough space. This is what it looks like now. That's where I put the chicken manure. And I've got the water feeder there. That I just use for something for them to do. I might take that out. That had grass in it, but it's all dying off for winter, so I might take that out. I was going to make a perch out of that. So I was thinking putting it here, but this fence is going to get changed eventually. So then they'll be in the way, so I might have to go there. But I can only fit 2 there. So I might just have to have 2. But that's fine. And I've got to clear all this up. And I've got paving slabs, so I want to make a little paving area. Just so it's easier to get in at the winter. And easier to clean. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's my little step to get in to there. And I think I just saw a mouse. Oh, I'll look back at this and see if I can see a mouse. That's my little step to get in. This is what I'm going to do now. Where's the other one at? Oh, there she is. I don't know if you can see, but how much it's raised. That's all chicken poo. So I'm going to dig out and put a pile over there, and then using this, cover it over to keep the heat in, compost it a bit more, and then use it in the spring, I think. Because it's really, it must be a foot off the ground, I think. Have you eaten all the worms? This chicken run is just covered in worms. That's what I've got up to so far. It's going to take longer than expected. And that's the pile I've made. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi. This is the chicken run now. They've put another paving slab down. There. I've dug all this. That's what I've got to do. You can see all the worms everywhere, all the dark bits of compost. There's even a worm in there still. worms? Are you eating the worms? How dare you? Hi. Let's see where everyone is. One, two, three. Where's the other two at? 4, 5. That's me trying to cover the leeks up so they won't destroy them, like they did with my onions. What are you doing? Casper, that is not a ball, it's an apple. Casper! You little tinker! You little... You cutting the grass for me? Casper, can you stop doing that? Hey! Casper, leave it. Leave it. Still need to harvest these apples. Oh, they're in the compost bin now. That's why I want the compost bin in the chicken run. Hello. Hi. And that is why I want the compost area in the chicken run. Even though they're eating the worms, they're working through the compost, turning it for me. So that's the compost bin. I was going to put a pallet in the middle as well, but I thought I'll just leave it open like that so I can mix it easier. And it'll be more spacious as well. So I've just chucked all that in. That was in the compost over there. It's just bits of a tree from my brother's garden. And that's the last bit of soil from the chicken run that I need to dig out to make it all level. Just going to chuck it on there to speed it up a bit. So it'll be like a bit of a layer. And there's loads of worms in there as well. The chickens are currently in the compost area where I've been getting the compost from. Apart from that one that's ruining my path. That was the last of my horse manure. That's where the tree was, and that's compost ready to use.